Hello and welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery channel. Today we will be exploring the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is the state of being aware that you're dreaming, and having the ability to control your dreams. Lucid dreaming has been studied by scientists and researchers for decades, and in this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to start your journey into lucid dreaming. What is lucid dreaming? First, let's define what lucid dreaming is. Lucid dreaming is a state where the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming, and has some control over the dream. This is different from regular dreams, where the dreamer is completely at the mercy of their subconscious. Lucid dreaming can be an incredibly powerful tool for personal growth, self-exploration, and creativity. A little of history of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming has been known for thousands of years, and there are references to it in ancient Greek, Indian, and Tibetan texts. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that scientists began to study the phenomenon in earnest. A little on the scientific research on lucid dreaming. One of the first scientific studies on lucid dreaming was conducted by Dutch psychologist Frederik van Eeden in 1913. Since then, many studies have been conducted to understand the nature of lucid dreaming, including studies on brain activity during lucid dreaming, and techniques for inducing lucid dreams. What lucid dreaming techniques do we have at our disposal? There are several techniques that can be used to increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream. These techniques include reality testing, keeping a dream journal, and the wake back to bed technique. Reality testing involves regularly checking during the day to see if you are dreaming, and the idea is that this habit will transfer into your dreams, allowing you to become aware that you're dreaming. Keeping a dream journal involves writing down your dreams each morning, and the idea is that over time, this will help you to become more familiar with your dream patterns and increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream. The wake back to bed technique involves waking up after a few hours of sleep, and then going back to sleep. This is said to increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream, as the brain is in a state of increased dream activity during this time. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon that has been studied by scientists for over a century. With the right techniques and approach, anyone can learn to have lucid dreams. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of your subconscious, start exploring the world of lucid dreaming today. Remember, the key to having successful lucid dreams is to be patient and persistent. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to control your dreams and unlock your dream world. Thank you for watching this video on lucid dreaming. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and technical videos on the world of sleep and dreams.